Dan is het mij echt een grote eer om Savitri dadelijk te mogen uitnodigen. Ik wil er toch even iets over zeggen. Ik ken Savitri nu 30 jaar ongeveer. Nee, ik ben nog lang niet uitgepraat. Laat me maar even zitten. Ik ken Savitri nu ongeveer 30 jaar. Als de rechterhand van Mansouk Patel natuurlijk. Maar vooral ook als een vrouw die zelf een imperium heeft opgebouwd, maar dan een imperium voor de goede zaak, namelijk de Wereldvredesvlam Organization, waar zij de leider van is. Niet alleen in Nederland, maar wereldwijd. En dat kun je alleen als je niet alleen enorm organisatietalent hebt, maar ook een heel groot hart. En Savitri is een vrouw, een powervrouw, a power woman. You're a power woman. It's so much light in your eyes and an ever-burning flame of love in your heart. That's who you are. So I'm so happy that you are here tonight and that you are ready to speak a few words to us. Thank you.
So I want to begin by thanking the team here. 20 years of carrying a vision. Really, to have a vision in the first place to make a difference is a great thing. But to keep it burning, to keep something alive is absolutely commendable. So to Els and Hein and their team, Susan, Mildred, Astrid, Ischar and Lisbeth, congratulations. We're all very, very proud of everything that's happened here. So a lot has happened here. You might wonder what a small flame like that does, but you're part of a network of 27 flames burning around the world. And with each flame, there's a group of people, sometimes small groups, sometimes large groups. But each person comes and is drawn to find their way of expressing peace out into the world. So there are education packages translated into so many languages by Anke and Els and their teams. In schools in India, in Hindi, they're taught to the Aboriginal children to help them find their culture again. They're taught across Europe. It's everywhere. Because the one thing that really has touched me over these 40 years of trying to be me is that there's a lot of things happening out in the world. We can say that there's a lot of pain, a lot of suffering, but there are so many good people doing really, really good things. And that's what we have to remember. That's what will bring us together, is that there's so many people doing good things. So out there on the wall, it says something like, peace cannot be delegated, but it begins with you and I. So I thought we would just do that this evening. So to be very practical, I'm going to ask you to sit up, to have your feet flat on the floor, and to just gently close your eyes. And we're going to do a visualization, meditation, to send peace out into the world, because you have already generated so much energy by walking in the beautiful sunlight. So just with your eyes closed, take a deep breath in, fill those beautiful lungs with that fresh air, and then exhale. and feel your body coming into a deeper space of stillness, of peace. Breathe in, fill those lungs, feel your body expanding, and exhale, and for a third time breathe in, and exhale. And now I'd like you to visualize that you are breathing in from the space above you, from that beautiful sunlight that you have just we have walked in. So breathe in, breathe the sunlight down through the crown of your head to the heart, and exhale from the heart down into the ground, the space beneath you. Inhale from the powerful, beautiful earth up to the heart, and exhale out through the crown of the head into the sky above. Do this again. Inhale from above, that light down to the heart. Exhale down deep into Mother Earth. Then inhale the light and the steadiness of the earth up through you as a conduit, and breathe out through the crown of the head into the space above. Do that once more. Of course, you can't breathe in through the crown of the head, but you can visualize the light coming in through the heart, down into the earth, from the earth up into the sky space. And then relax the visualization. Allow your breathing just to be settled, relaxed, no shape. Then visualize in front of you a beautiful screen, like a television screen. And on that screen, visualize someone that you love. Visualize someone that you love, that you would like to send healing to send your peace, your love, your laughter. Visualize them, see them there. Create that picture. And now, inhale that golden light from above. Feel like you're inhaling the light from above to the heart. And then as you exhale, send that light from your heart forward to the person on your screen. Just send that golden light. Something's working. Inhale. It's all right. It's just life in all its beauty. Inhale and exhale out. And send your love to the person in front of you. Just do this 3 more times. Feel that heart expanding, feel the energy of the heart. It is so powerful, many times more powerful than the energy field of the brain. So one final time, breathe in and fill the heart with energy, and then exhale that love forward, and feel your love reaching the person. And then just Gently allow this screen in front of you to fade away. Just let the vision fade. Come back to this moment. Take a deep breath. Feel yourself breathing in, bringing that energy into your body. Then bring a smile onto your face. And when you're ready, just open your eyes. Sometimes creating peace is as easy as just taking a few moments, 5 minutes every day. We can do it for loved ones, but we can also do it for people that are in trouble, for areas of the world that need our love. We should never feel like those angels sang. We should never ever feel that there is nothing we can do. There is so much we can do because the power of the human heart is the one thing that can overcome everything. As Margaret Mead said, never doubt the power of a small group of individuals to change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has. So which world? First of all, our own world. Then the world around us, our families, our communities. Then the world at large. And I finished with, because there is no clock. This is always very dangerous for me when there's no clock. Yeah. But Hein, you can hold up your hand. There's a story that I heard many years ago from my teacher, my mentor, Mansuk. And he told this story because he knew I was on a mission. I was going to change the world. I was just going to do it. So he told me this story, and he said, there was this man, he said, just like you, and he wanted to change the world. So for 14 years, he was out there trying to change the world. And then after 40 years, he thought, this isn't working. So he said, oh no, I know what I need to do. So for the next 20 years, 30 years, he thought, I need to change my family. That's a difficult one. So for the next 30, 40 years, he worked and he worked and he tried to change his family. And then, as an old man, he realized, he looked at his life and he thought, what have I been doing? And he sat and then he thought, now let me change myself. So the change, as the great Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world. So I come back to the beautiful people of Cadzand who have kept this vision alive and spreading out into the world. They are indomitable. They are incredible. So thank you to all of you, because you do make a difference. You may never know all the people that you touch or all the effect that you have. None of us will. But there's one thing for sure, it makes a difference. So I really thank you for those 20 years. It's the 25th anniversary of the World Peace Plan. So for the next 12, 16 years, months, years, let's celebrate light on earth. Because a small group of people can make a big change. Bless you, thank you, and I think you're incredible. I think you're incredible. Thank you.